The crypto fan, what's going on? So today's market is looking beautiful, man. Uh, I know the market right now is at $2.84 trillion total market. Remember, I'll tell you guys, you gotta look at total market, going coin market cap. Last week, we were in the red, real deep red. We were at 3.56. So they're saying that 3.56 trillion was the bottom, folks. And right now we're at 3.84 trillion versus 3.54 trillion. So you're talking about another $30 billion in there. Bitcoin has broke 91, which is strong. Today's up, shit, and 7 days is up 8%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 5%, bro. Just so you guys know, we're only like 12% away from breaking the all-time high. So we're not that far away. So yeah, let's see here. So 7 days ago, let's see what Bitcoin was at. 7 days ago, we were right tricking around 83,000. Now we're at 91,000, folks. They're saying the market's turning around. Of course, Trump suspended the tariffs. So that probably has the moves in the market moving. But yeah, these are the times right now. Today, not today, but these are times that you buy when it's boring. It's like being in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? There's no arguing, there's no fighting. You and your significant other are just saving. Just imagine you and the significant, your husband or your wife, you guys are saving quietly, saving. There's gonna come a time when you guys buy that house, and then the house value shoots up, but you have to save, buy a house. This is a time when you're saving. And just so you folks know, you ain't got to spend thousands of $1,000. You can spend $20 here, $40 here, $100 here. You just want to be accumulating. And if you don't want to watch it, put on $30, $40 a week. Let it accumulate. Do what you can afford. Don't watch somebody else. Watch what you can afford. These are times to be buying because everybody's feeling very bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fear the greed index right now. I saw that 32% last week. I mean, 2 weeks ago was at 19%. So what that means is that the greed index. So what it does when of course when there's a lot of fear, it's usually at 15%, meaning that 15% of people are buying. Then as the greed gets higher, people get greedy and people start FOMOing in, the fear of missing out. Then the fear and greed there starts rising. So right now, I mean that people are starting to buy. So it's at 32%. And so you aware people been buying Bitcoin. Like it's been quiet, but not really. MicroStrategy, uh, uh, what else? BlackRock, they spent over 100 million in buying Bitcoin. It hasn't stopped. People are buying right now. People are feeling that they're very scared with this tariffs coming and keeping their assets in the dollar. Because just for example, all right, so you have a dollar right now. Okay, let's say we could purchase whatever it is. You could purchase this pen for $1, right? So now when tariffs come in, let's say this pen is coming in from Japan. This pen now that was cost me $1 now, if they put tariffs, can be $2. So now my actual dollar is worth 50 cents because now I gotta pay double. So that just cut my dollar in half. But what happens is people feel like they put it in Bitcoin and let's say tariffs go up like that double. And what happens if your money that's in Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes from 90,000 to 180, right? So that means your Bitcoin when you invested double. So if it doubles, you're not going to feel the difference between the tariffs and the price of things, goods that you're buying. So that's the reason why people would rather put it in Bitcoin because they wanted to go with inflation and the rise of tariffs. Because if your money stays in the bank, just math, folks, your dollar doesn't have that power anymore. If what you could buy today for $1 is going to cost you $2, prices double, go up 100%. That means that your dollar went down 50% because now you need $2 to buy this pen that was $1 yesterday. So now, and your dollar's still the same value. Now, if your dollar went up, it would still cost you $1 for this pen that went to $2. But that's what's not happening. So that's why they talk about inflation, folks. That's why they talking about the dollar taking a dump. Because it's like I went to Jamaica, right? So I went to Jamaica. This is a long time ago. So I remember I went to go buy me a burger. Brother said like $300. I said, what? $300 for a burger because the money's been devalued. It's not the price of the burger went down, up. It's the price of the Jamaican dollar went down. That's the same thing you're watching what's happening with the American dollar. These tariffs is causing the American dollar to be devalued. So what you could buy today for the dollar is not what you're gonna be able to buy tomorrow for a dollar. So that's where the devaluation comes. It's not the prices going up. They're trying to fool you. Prices are not going up. The value of the dollar is going down. This is the reason why people want to move their monies outside of the bank and move it to somewhere where they feel that it will follow the inflation. Because what happens if you're getting like 1%, quarter percent, 2% your bank, the inflation is going up 100%. You're not keeping up with it, so your money's devaluing. So people are trying to put their money in a place where it can match the value of inflation and now also the tariffs. Things are getting crazy, folks, and about to get crazy in the next 30 days for the next year, man. Things will get better. Buckle up, man. Make sure if you've been waiting to buy something, let's say a refrigerator, washer, dryer, or something along that line, you probably want to do it now. Don't, because prices are going up, folks. So that's why people go into Bitcoin to hedge their stuff on inflation. They're trying to hedge inflation. You understand now? Because prices are going up, so they want to keep their money where the value of their money goes up also with the price of retail. So let's just say your Bitcoin is going up and the prices of goods going up, you're staying there. But if you're in your savings and your prices are going up, you're down here. That's the problem, folks. Do you get it? That's the reason why people are investing. That's why they want to hedge on inflation. All right. This is the crypto fan. I hope I taught you guys something new on this here. But yeah, man, don't be scared to buy slowly but surely. Don't have to knock it all out one time. Don't buy in the green days like today. All right, wait till it gets red. You know, I'm always going to tell you when it's buying opportunity. Um, but this crypto fan, they're saying they're feeling real bullish. Let's see where it goes. So today we're up 3.8. Sorry, market cap was up 5.3. So we have 1.81 trillion. So let's see what happens, man. The crypto fan, hit a subscribe, hit a like, and tell me what you think, man. Hey, I'm here to report the news. I hope this is newsworthy. The crypto fan, thanks for tuning in. Hit a subscribe, hit a like, man. And share this content, man. Share it.